Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate volatility in Excel. Volatility measures how much an asset's price fluctuates over time. We have a dataset with dates in column A and closing prices in column B. First, we need to calculate daily returns. In C3, enter the formula. This calculates the logarithmic return, also called log return or continuously compounded return. Press Enter, then drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to all rows. In the number group, click on the percentage button. Next, we need to calculate volatility, which is the standard deviation of daily returns. In a new cell, enter the formula, select your daily returns, and press Enter. This will calculate the daily volatility of the asset, showing how much its returns fluctuate on a daily basis. Next, we need to annualize the volatility to make it more useful for financial analysis. Since there are approximately 252 trading days in a year, we adjust the daily volatility by multiplying it by the square root of 252. Now that we have the annualized volatility, we can use it to assess the asset's risk over a longer period. A higher volatility means greater price fluctuations, indicating a riskier asset, while lower volatility suggests more stable price movements. And that's it. You now know how to calculate both daily and annualized volatility in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips.